IGC News. Mema Obia Aquaba had the latest and hot news in one and the Bremo and Uti Sebunya subscribe ya body and say over subscribe. Now like no say video. Dobaya say over click a subscribe button. Now barely notification. When sa video ya upload no. Also when sa can be. I feel we are one like video give us a thumbs up now feel share just say was so na e na amount for so enye bi na wo hwe na woni hu de e so e wo gara man ho ano afi ye hwe ensema abeto bo ye so enti eye ensemu ya ababeto be.
I've listened to these two political parties, okay, the NPP and the NDC, okay, when it comes to this post betting, these two political parties will be uncanny. They know. I was explaining to you, among canocre, both the NDC and the NPP, among canocre. Now, the Casemich say, now Ghanaians, majority of us are becoming the same. And when we can't jump our cast, make the anything you say, we'll go back into archives. We make sure, say, you better read it and we'll say the no mercy. And if you listen to the NPP and the NDC on sports betting, me and I have issues with them. Shabu, we shouldn't say. The new patriotic party, only this tax better sports betting. So okay, but no, the betting about this tax better. Okay, one, they were able to recognize a lot of Ghanaian youth are into betting. Now they can't put the biggest congregation in Ghana as sports betting. Shabu, when NPP was in opposition, NPP told Ghanaians say they are going to create a lot of jobs for the youth. To understand so. If you look at the manifesto of the NPP, say, Ghana from Kwabena Agyapong, one Kasa Papa John Boyd to say, we are going to import people from outside Ghana.
You are watching GC News on YouTube.
Ghana for Benyaya, Busunji, the Kofan, Kofoso, Mama Mombe. Makacha say, the days of another Bianco Akufo-Addo, from 2017, MBC 2023, 2024, the Vice President Mahamadu Bawumia say, Oma gain 2.1 million jobs for Ghana. What I say? Almost 2.1 no, and you know, about 1.2 is in the public sector. Yeah. 700 or 975 and the private sector. Benya already did Ignatius Baba become different thing. Benya before for now become different thing. Gideon Kwala become different thing. Sabu, if you listen to the NPP and the NDC on this sports betting issue, they want to win power. So they are just telling Ghanaians, you to know what they want to see. Now me catch you say, if you look at here population census in Ghana, about 70% of them are youth. Now catch them a say, if you look at easy form, say 62% yeah. From their end. Yeah. Ninja make 70%, they say, we won't register only meters of Akoto. But if you look at car service, obviously a greater portion of Ghanaians are youth. So the NDC and the NPP, they have recognized it. And they want to deal with the youth. They have a nice way of telling lies and how they want to implement it. Shabu, who change some Ekoswa? Or where I find John Dramani Mama and the NDC, 10% on sports bet for media if you want. It is sanity. Yeah. Nano, Yawa, Anna or Parea Domo, any NDC forecast. Oh, about Tony Aquato, the Aremeyaw Anas can say me to my real Besi, Malik Bassi, tell me. I told the NDC, say, they should be able to identify the needs and the challenges of youth and deal with it. If you are able to find the need and challenges and you deal with it, majority of Ghanaians are you, they will buy into your idea and they will vote for you. Now, no, me career here, and I'm saying, so almost more launch youth manifesto. It means say the kind of programs on person policy on person for the youth. You have John Dramani Mama, who is the flag bearer of the NDC. The youth activists. NDC in point for Malik Mo, Sammy Gyamfi Mo, Kojo Kyeremanteng, a friend is saying, Sammy Muslim Mo, as a for Jemo, there's on NDP video. And about Tria, yes, a dear. So it tells him, say, if you look at the NDC, they wanted to recognize the needs and the challenges of the youth. They want to capture the youth and deal with it in their manifesto. You know, I don't know what they say. John Dramani Mama so bar sports betting. Say 10% tax net that's no. Obey the free. Maybe what? Shabla Sisi. Makacho said this kind of elections that we are going to. Only make cast among far who could freeze out. The kind of things we said yesterday, we correlate it today for you.
Okay.
They should be consistent. They may say in terms of politics, in terms of party politics. Oh, yeah, campaigner, you should all speak one common language. So what can some for now? Franco can some for fra. It means that Squadia mo person we won't tell you.
They're inconsistent.
Yes. So you should be uniform. You should move as a unit. And make sure to make
you are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news
every institution, in every corporate setting, we have official mouthpiece for institutions over there. And now what that kid that compare the purpose will be president. Oh yeah, flag bearer, flag bearer GP. The spokesperson was a lawyer.
Yeah.
I'm not after. One night Casamano. I debut of Casabiafa Hubiano represents the views of Kennedy Agyapong. Sometimes you can have a spokesperson or a special aide. Obetinya Kaloma Babon, because when dear or Casaman and Yam Sumano. As some or Kayano, I am a separate entity from what the person is saying. A BSP, John Kuma, and our friend Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng. Alan came into the picture and says, somewhere dear, Mensah Konakoka. And so we cast him, Nasa Paimuna Naso Mami Yanwa. I take it as the Nipanakano. It represents the views, the actions and inactions of the leader.
Yeah, so on the condemn way.
Tell Assembly Kabiano, Papaya, a bit representing the views. Because on fair country is as a can problem about as my way can only nagging and to about the public domain to come and explain. Shabu,
Franco,
far phone,
and far phone.
See, a case of official mouthpiece, official mouthpiece of an institution is one person who is not a separate entity from the corporate settings. And I'm the special assistant to Dr. James Akosiapia. I don't have an individual view when it comes to Akosiapia. I represent the views of Akosiapia. I told the assembly to me, now I'm far from radio. So, Franco, or boss Akosiapia says because a mini penny you won't come. And on your green light, I'm in Casamfa. Until so, the mom said green light, and I'll talk about it. And Sabu, another, there was a one special aid to Papayawa. Assembly Abekabiano in the public domain, whether on the media, whether writing or anything, it represents the views of Papaya. And the Biamekase, only a PRO, and I'm communication director, only independent view.
I did represent the party's view. Party, now somehow.
Thank you. Shabu,
Franco,
far phone.
I found the phone.
The official mouthpiece of the NDC, Sammy Gyamfi, yes, who have been good. I am for
a lawyer.
Thank you. Who have been in my dear boss. We will not abolish 10% tax betting.
We will not abolish 10% betting tax. Okay. Maybe the Mahama DNA.
Yes. Okay. Then for me to help you.
Yeah.
Me pese wankasa. What kind of idea with the mommy?
Okay. What's it? Sammy Gyamfi set record straight on NDC who tax betting winning comment. Sammy Gyamfi. What's it? Sammy Gyamfi about to just NDC 10% na that's on.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Way I buy no party they who are buying.
Yeah.
Just want to make a a party and a who are buying. Now the official mouthpiece for the party about the who are buying. The manifesto that they are going to write conforms to the flag bearer. And the flag bearer, no, I gave you a person who the party manifesto, they will bring it into it.
Yeah.
Sammy Gyamfi is a PRO of the NDC.
Yeah.
Was saying he is talking his capacity as a PRO. If NDC comes to power, when it comes to sports betting, they are going to charge you on 10%.
Yeah.
Shabu.
Yeah.
Was saying, right? And I'm reading from here for you. Say, imposing a 10% tax on bet winnings cruel. You see the double standard of the NDC.
Okay.
NDC for camera for catcher almost say they're too desperate. And the alternative is scary. They don't move as a unit. Whether can we across a 24-hour economy. Shabu, where the Nama. Shabu, I want to go into dictionary. So estimate me Bawumia. They should look for the meaning of cruel for me. I want to look at it. The meaning of cruel. I want to look at it.
So be as
good. Or say willful, causing pain or suffering to others, or feeling no concern about it.
Yeah.
Sammy Gyamfi here. As I make I say with you. Sammy Gyamfi here. Or say imposing 10% on bet when it's cruel.
Yeah.
Or the NPP government is insensitive.
Yeah.
No,
only 10%, but that one they take on.
Thank you. Was somebody insensitive? Now they're not more young and you're cruel. They are giving pains to a lot of Ghanaians, especially the youth who may be human. It is true that Dramani Mama unemployment was 8.2. Akufo-Addo 14%, 14.7. It is true. But I catch them say the NPP government is insensitive. The NPP government is cruel. The NPP government doesn't feel the pains of the youth in terms of betting. And tomorrow bar, you are going to make things about betting. Then that's how they catch them. You are going to impose 10% on betting. What are you trying to tell me?
But say John Dramani Mahama Babo this about with you.
Shabna Sisi. We say they are working. I agree with you. John Dramani is going to have a different manifesto from the manifesto of the NDC.
But what Sammy Gyamfi said wasn't the party member. He spoke in his capacity as the
I don't agree to that. The reason why I don't agree is that Mensah, who your communication director, why should you jump before the gun?
Or maybe that was
no. And to make catch us who you PR, you don't have an independent view. Every uncle is serious, and can so come from the money, Mama. He should even go to the party people and ask them, say, this is betting tax, and you're very, very sensitive. What is the roadmap of the NDC?
So, some of you honor you. A bab on Taba Casse.
Yes.
A Mechanic Pabon, some say,
yes.
What a 10% better betting tax.
Yes.
And I was a bab on say,
yes.
Yeah, bar, 10% yankum.
Okay.
On another view.
Thank you.
And now, the leader.
Yes.
Of the party for now.
Okay.
The father said, Oba,
yes,
Ubichum.
Okay.
And I mean, Osha, John Mama Baby Supreme Court. When he speaks, it's final.
Do you not say the constitution of the NDC? When they are in opposition, who is the leader?
The party chairman.
Thank you.
But that's when they don't have a flag bearer.
Let me finish. The American say, I didn't see him. Sammy Gyamfi, Nanke so Coco Bismas or Abekasa.
You are watching
because I'm about for NDC. What can say double standard? Sammy Gyamfi is a spokesperson of the NDC. That's why I make it on you. Official mouthpiece of the NDC in terms of communication.
Maybe.
Yes.
Party Quebec National Manifesto.
Yes.
Thank you. Na president,
yes.
Any interest,
yes. I get you.
But if the president has an interest in it,
yes.
Maybe the majority leader,
okay.
Legislature,
thank you.
So the president himself, and the president himself has come out to say, yes. The 10%, the first will be on arrival.
Thank you. Another year can say, who serve the ideology and the philosophy of the NDC to the ordinary Ghanaian?
The communication director.
Thank you. The communication director is official.
That's the directorate. Yeah.
Thank you. Almost an assay.
Yeah.
It is an office. You can't say communication director.
Yeah.
You have social media. He is the mouthpiece. And that's how we see. Every uncle train. And uncle Kosiki input from John Dramani Mama. In a mama, I can say 10% no bar. Opetum the free. But
your mama, what your mama says has superseded every statement you will be making earlier on.
Never. Another maker say the only take John Dramani Mama. No said your mama saw about 10%, no, or the better so. That's what making
I think the emphasis immediately earlier statement or can say
yes.
Impose a 10% tax on the school.
You put the class as a million. Then was about the catcher or say, or more Sunday tax no as a double standard.
Okay.
You don't see the consistency aspect in this. When it gets to elections, you should have one common language.
No, and so Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia so with Mahama so with why the two of them will be uncanny. And I will explain to you. With you.
Sammy Gyamfi, he has caused problem for the NDC. Because me, I'm telling you, now I'm in a dilemma. Why then I'm in fact? Because he's official mouthpiece. He serves government, the NDC to the ordinary Ghanaian. He's saying a different thing. The flag bearer is saying a different thing. It tells you, say, a man for the alternative askari no. One among who come a man for Ponchemo. I was a 24-hour economy. Nano kana de chem so bi so mbom di jaka ne se boy no manyina beba. Meboa, e bi so beto abachi. Nipa what ma church mama ate ade na se yie pa no. E yere kopo. So the 24-hour economy in Ukraine, it is even problematic. How they should even explain it? Shabu to the MPP. Also can no creba kuba say MPP. When it comes to tax bet. John Dramani Mama carry account lady.
Yeah.
If you look at Otabil Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia is the head of the Economic Management Committee. That's why I make a choice. When they were imposing this kind of tax, no can be. Was saying he has his own vision. Let's agree to it. Okay. And yet I've seen a clear difference between a deputy and a substantive person. So
you're waiting for when the summer about to so. Manka was a decision so and our channel. So we are subscriber or more than say over subscriber. No like it. Nothing so was share video no amount for a new bit after. Also betting actually what you have and so we now will comment boxing. Waiting in by next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.